Hello everyone, I am Shruti Vijayarthi from BISP Solution. So in this video, I am going to tell you about how to get started with R, how you should work with R. So let's begin. For that, you should open your. First, you have to install your R. And in my previous video, I discussed how to install R in your system. And now, after installation, you should open your software and then uh, work on it. For that, just go to and open your R software. So the window you got is the console. You can do basic operations in this window. The text you are seeing here is the version showing, and also I'm installing it for 64-bit operating system, and it also shows some of about warranty information about the software. So, and also if you want to work with the R editor, so just go to file and open new script. So this is the R editor. I'm showing it's used after showing the console window work. So let's start. So this is our console window. So first I'm going to tell you how to assign values to a variable. So if I want to assign a the value 2. So using the arrow sign, we are assigning values in R. So if we type A, it will print 2 because, and also we can assign values to a variable using an equal sign in R. So this will also show you the stored value in R. And by using print statement, you can see the output also, or by just typing the variable name also. Okay, so this is how you assign value to a variable in R. And if you want to clear the contents of this console window, just Control and L. So this will clear the console window. If you want to run more than one line of code, then you type them in R editor. So let's suppose now let's suppose I want to assign more than one variable values, and then I want multiple lines of codes to be run. So for that, just go to file and new script and write how many things you want to turn. Let's suppose I want to assign x value 5, y value 6, and z value will be 9. And after that I want to store all these values in one variable in m, like so x plus y plus z. So the R editor we are using because we want to run more than one line of codes at one time. So just go to the file editor, edit uh, and run all. So this will run all the variables at one, and now you can see the output. Just typing x, it has assigned 5, y, it has assigned 6, z, it has assigned 9, and m, it has assigned the sum of all three variables. And also if you want that only one variable you want to run using R editor, so that let's suppose I assign n value 10, and just select this variable and click Control plus R. So this will run only the selected variable or only the selected statement in the console window. And now if I type n, then it will show the output 10. So this is how values run in using R editor and using console window of R. Now R is a case sensitive. That means if I am assigning value small x5 and I type capital X to see the output of X, this will create an error because in R is a case sensitive, so small x and capital X are different. Are different. Okay, so and now the ls command is used to let us know everything that is stored in the workspace memory. Like if I want to know how many variables I created in R, so to know how many variables are stored in R memory or workspace memory, just write ls and enter. So I created M, N, X, Y, and Z. That means total number of 5 variables. So total number of 5 objects are created in workspace memory of R. Now, if I want to remove any variable, so the R provides rm command and pass the object name you want to delete. Let's suppose I want to delete M and run, then it will remove the element from the workspace, and if I type M, that would create an object that shows that M is removed from the workspace memory. Also, if you want, there are some rules of creating objects in R. So the name of the object should be start using character, and it should be followed with period or number. Like suppose if I want to create m.1, I want to assign value 4 to this variable, so it will be created. But if I start with 1m, that means using the first character should be number, then it will create an error. So the name of a variable should be started with a character. Okay. So now we can also assign character values to an object. We can do this by including quotation marks around the characters. Let's suppose I want to create an variable a and I want to assign it object oriented. So this variable shows that character value is stored in a. Also, you can assign number as a character by using the quotation marks. So this value will be treated as character in R. Also, we can perform just Control plus L to clear the console. And now we can perform arithmetic operations also in R. Let's suppose if I want to calculate 1 plus 1, that will create an output 2. If I want 4 into 5, then it will create 20 output. So this type of basic operations can be done using variables. Like suppose I want that P has been contained value 7 and Q has been contained value 8, and I want to calculate the sum of P and Q. So this will also can be done in R. We can subtract also in R. Q minus P, it will create output 1 because 8 minus 7 will be 1. We can also multiply objects in R. So all type of basic operations can be done in R. We can even divide P by Q in R. Okay. Also we can calculate some other calculations, like we can calculate a square of a number. Let's suppose I want to calculate a square of variable P. So P has assigned 7 value and the square of P will be 49. We can calculate the square of P plus the square of Q. So this will also create an output. So this is how basic arithmetic operations can be done in R. We can even calculate a square of a number using the sqrt function of R. So the square of 100 will create output 10. We can take natural logarithm using the log command. If I want to calculate log of value P, then it will create the natural logarithm value. We can even take the exponent of P, that is the anti-log, using the exp command. So this will also generate exponent of the p. We can also calculate logs of other bases. Like if we want to calculate log base 2, so we have to write log 2 and pass the object name and then enter. So, and also we can calculate the absolute value using the abs command. If I pass -14 as abs argument, then it will give the positive value 14 because absolute is a positive value. Okay. Some more things which you should know about R is that the first, if you entered an incomplete command, like if I entered sqrt and I write 1000, but I forget to write the right parenthesis and just enter. So, so this is the incomplete command. So R will follow up with a plus sign, letting you know that there is an incomplete command. And if I again enter, then this will also follow up with the plus sign. So when I completed the command and then enter, then it will create the output of the statement. So also the second thing you must be know about the R is we can also done commenting in R using the hash command. Let's suppose if I write hash and I want to write the code below will calculate the area of rectangle. So this is the commenting done in the R. This will not create any error because hash denotes that this is the comment line. Okay, so now we can calculate area by writing just, let's suppose 5 into 6, it will create 30. By using the upper arrow key, you get the previous statement. So if you want to know what's this, what 5 into 6, so with the help of this arrow you go to the previous command that shows the code below will calculate the area of rectangle, so you can know that it will an area of rectangle. So this is how uh, works in R. This is how we started working with R. So this commenting is helpful as you start to write more lengthy code and want to be able to include notes reminding you what you did in this code. So this is how you can work with R. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Thanks for watching.